Kasar Rob Meglia Mutik Alliance MDA Kabala Shong Yakajilang Hakasipale Yakanong Basilong Kalasim Yakarai Bantauswa Daka Subcommittee Kaban Sakli do Sumbot Mutirang Ba Kajala Ba Perstunten Song Kum Chairman Shon Berbana Pai Ba Karteng Jung Kurtong Ban Ireng Collection Saying Rabat Ho Ain Kadraja Sabah Hakajingkran Bagilar Patai Kabo Hadim Pelawai Kajilang Mutirang Ba Kajala Uloong Ba Dien Balayakran Balatai Sanibha Nasim Bay Yakarai Ba Kanhun MDA kan say Bay Tangway Kurtong Hadian Balailat Yabaro Gidkot Jong Kanhun Bakin Pinsngo Khmat Kajilang Yakijingo Bijumki Hakani Kajilang Kanhun Kalaya Thir Tairu Halokador Bar Mangtengka Jongling Rabat Hawan Kaban Solongshan.
As you're aware that we had the meeting of the MDA where our MLAs of the different coalition partners attended this meeting. In the meeting we had discussed certain agendas. One was regarding the upcoming session, assembly session, which is going to start on the 13th. So we informed all the members about the session and how to prepare for it. And at the same time, we also had a second agenda, which was to discuss about the upcoming elections to the Rajya Sabha. There were detailed discussions that took place and opinions were taken from all the different coalition partners, and all of them participated, and we have decided that whatever the case may be, the MDA will be united and MDA will have only one candidate, and discussions must take place at different levels. And in order to facilitate this, a small subcommittee, like we had done in the elections of the Speaker, has been formed under the convenership of our Deputy Chief Minister and other members, including the President of the UDP, the PP leader from the PDF, the NCP, Independent, BJP and the HSPDP are part of this, and they will be meeting on Monday, and certain names were discussed in the meeting and proposed in the meeting, but it will not be appropriate for me to speak about that. Accordingly, the different political parties will have their individual meetings in the next 2 to 3 days, and then this subcommittee will sit on Monday and take the discussion forward, and we're hopeful that by Monday we should be able to come out with the name of the candidate for the MDA for the coming Rajya Sabha elections. Thank you.
What about Dr. Khalfi's name?
As I said, it will not be appropriate for me to take any names right now, but yes, some names came up and different names were discussed. Different parties gave their opinions, and I think this reflects the kind of participatory democracy and participatory coalition governance that we have, where we ensure that every voice is heard. And in that spirit, the way we did it in the Speaker's election, the same spirit is continuing.